In the depths of this underground mine, where efficiency and uptime are crucial, remote monitoring service is hard at work. Meet the operator of the loader who moves tons of material every day. While the operator is focused on the task at hand, remote monitoring service is working behind the scenes, monitoring the health and performance of the loader and its components. Data generated by the machine is measured and transmitted to the cloud via our knowledge box. Our global network ensures that critical information from various mines reaches our cloud, where it is processed and turned into predictive information using advanced analytics and AI. At our remote monitoring service center, our specialists detect abnormalities and convert them to actionable information. While the operator sees the current state of components, our data specialists see a more complete picture of the current and future stats. With this, they can identify and address issues before they become critical. The remote monitoring service specialist notifies the mine site. She recommends that the loader be inspected before a major breakdown occurs. During the inspection, silicone debris is found in the sump. Once removed, the oil pressure returns to normal. By detecting the issue early, we prevented a catastrophic engine failure. This proactive approach, with the help of remote monitoring service, saved significant downtime and costs. Remote monitoring service also monitors and identifies operator competence development gaps to help improve safety in the mine. Back at the remote monitoring service center, our specialists are analyzing equipment data. They identified an inappropriate machine operation. The analyst compiles a report for the customer recommending specific operator training on appropriate braking procedures. The ongoing process of identifying and enhancing the performance of operators provides increased competence and ensures a safer mining operation. In summary, remote monitoring service increases fleet utilization and reduces operational costs. Other features and benefits include continuous monitoring for issue identification, predictive information to identify abnormalities and define preventative actions, streamlined maintenance process to prevent breakdowns, shift-level operator competence development, improved competence development for operators, higher utilization of the fleet with lower costs. Remote monitoring services fosters strong partnerships and continuous improvement by providing factual information from the connected fleet, benefiting us and our customers. We keep equipment running at its full potential.